We practice our smiles. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's a smile. You have any more? You have more? Do you have another smile for everyone? Oh, come on. Share your smiles. There you go. That's a good boy. Yes. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Do you have any stories to tell? You're going to mime the stories today.